Hey Pure Family, welcome to another tutorial for livepure.com. Today I'm going to show you how to find recipes on the new system. If you're on the home page, you can click on Read More in this product recipe section, and it'll take you straight to the recipe for this image here. But if you want to see all recipes, you can type in your browser /recipes, and right now we're using a test environment, but when the site is live, it'll be livepure.com. You can type in /recipes, hit enter, and then it'll take you to the recipes page. And from any page on the new system, you can also find this page using the sitemap. And it's got a list of all the pages that are live on the site. And right here is recipes. You can also click that to see all recipes or the individual recipe pages. So I hope you found that tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.